Imagine sitting down in your living room, grabbing your moom, and realizing that the device plugged into your HDMI port is no longer a streaming box. It's a gaming console. It's an AI brain. It's the nerve center of home that finally, actually, feels smart. For years, Apple TV 4K has been the unhuman king of premium streaming. Let's be honest, it's been loose sagnin. We've been using the same internal architecture since 2022. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence from Cupertino is about to be broken by a roar. There is a monster hiding in Apple's supply chain, a device that has been delayed, refined, and supercharged to do things no Roku, Fire Stick, or Shield TV can ever dream of. We are talking about the Apple TV 4K 2026. And if you think this is just another minor spec bump, you are in for a massive reality check. In this video, we are uncovering the leaked internal specs that reveal a chip powerful enough to play AAA console games, the secret reason why Apple waited until now to launch it, and the N1 breakthrough that is going to change your home Wi-Fi forever. If you owned an Apple TV or are thinking about buying one, stop everything. You need to hear this before you spend another dollar. The intelligence threshold. Why 8 GB changes everything. Let's start with the heart of the machine. Since 2022, the Apple TV has been toasting on the A15 Bionic. It's a great chip, sure. And 2026 is saying a wah. Why? As of 2 words. Apple Intelligence. Lead ports and supply chain signals from the most reliable analysts in the industry in op 20 to 1 as the A17 Pro or even the A18 Chip. But why put a chip that powerful in a box that just plays Netflix? The answer is 8 GB of RAM. This is the magic number. Apple has realized that to run local, privacy-focused AI, what they call Apple Intelligence, the hardware needs a specific threshold of memory. The current 4 GB models simply can't handle it. This means the 2026 Apple TV isn't just about smoother menus. It's about Siri that actually works. Imagine a theory that doesn't just say, I found some web results for that. Imagine saying, hey Siri, find that scene, 3rd episode, Ted Lasso, where they're in the locker room and play in the living room TV. And acquires massive on-device pausing power that acquires the intelligence threshold. The console killer AAA gaming in the living room. But the agree isn't just for AI. For the gamers. Apple has been quietly building a gaming ecosystem, and the 2026 Apple TV is the Trojan horse. With further accelerated ray tracing, this bot is moving into PlayStation and Xbox territory. We are talking about console-quality graphics on a device that fits into the palm of your hand. For the US market, where gaming is a multi-billion-dollar pastime, it is the move that turns the Apple TV from a luxury streamer into a must-have family entertainment hub. The leaks suggest Apple is working on a dedicated game mode for tvOS 27 that optimizes every bit of that A17 Pro power for sustained performance. We aren't just talking about Angry Birds anymore.